Do we use chemicals in our clothes? If yes, then are they skin friendly? Now we are going to learn about man-made fabrics. Basically there are two types, regenerated and synthetic. If you see basic difference in these two, regenerated fabrics are made from cotton waste, wood pulp and chemicals. Synthetic fabric are made from only chemicals. There are three types of regenerated fabrics: viscose or rayon, lyocell which is also called as tencel, and polynosic. So let's see regenerated fabrics first one by one, and then we will move to a synthetic fabrics. First of all, let's see viscose and rayon. There is very slight difference in these two. Viscose is made from wood pulp, cotton waste and chemicals, whereas rayon is also made from wood pulp, cotton waste and chemicals, but special wood pulp is used in rayon material. Some think that there is no difference, and technically they may be right, because wood cellulose and bamboo cellulose are two sources for making viscose and rayon respectively. You may know Aditya Birla's Liva is brand name given to viscose fabric. This is soft, drapes well, creases easily, and it is highly absorbent, which is perfect for summer. Our next material is lyocell, or which is also called as tencel. This is used since 1992. This material is made from wood pulp, cotton waste and non-toxic chemicals. There are some chemicals which are harmful to skin. Non-toxic chemicals are skin friendly. Special farming is done to produce it. Lyocell is a fabric name, tencel is a brand name. This is easy to dye, breathable, softer, smoother, luxurious, shiny, and has an excellent drape. Due to non-toxic chemicals and cultivated special trees, cost of this fabric is slightly high. Let's move to our next regenerated material, that is polynosic. This is made from rayon blend and some chemicals. One finishing is given to this fabric, that is called Euro finishing. High air pressure is given to fabric from one side. Due to this high pressure, there are some small fibers appears on the surface of other side. Due to this process, fabric becomes smooth and shiny. This is also called as pitchy effect. Euro finishing gives two-tone effect to this material. Provoke is popularized this fabric in India with Bollywood actor Fardeen Khan as a brand ambassador. If we see characteristics of this fabric, it has a good absorbency, easy to dye, strong, it has an excellent luster, drapes well, soft hand feel. So we have seen types of regenerated fabric, in that viscose rayon, lyocell, tencel and polynosic. Now we will see types of synthetic fabric: polyester, nylon, spandex, lycra and acrylic. These are four types of synthetic fabric. Now let's move to our first type of synthetic fabric and most popular fabric, that is polyester. Polyester is made from ethylene, byproduct of petroleum and coal. This material is used in apparels, home furnishings, tires, ropes, bottles, etc. Polyester is advertised as being wrinkle-free, but due to the harsh chemicals that go into making these cloths, polyester is not only hard but can be disastrous on sensitive skin. The chemicals can be rough on skin and lead to rashes. Because it's mass-produced, it has become a cheap material to buy. Why it is so popular though it is rough to skin then? Because it is strong, easy to dye, easy to blend, abrasion resistant, wrinkle resistant, quick drying and low absorbency. It is also have peeling issues with the fabric. Our next material is nylon. This is made from byproduct of coal, petroleum and other chemicals. This is silky material which is firstly used in toothbrush. This is also called as synthetic replacement of silk. Nylon is used for apparel, carpets, bulletproof jackets, fishing nets, musical strings, ropes, parachutes, etc. Nylon material is very strong, lightweight, dyes easily, quick drying. This is sensitive to heat, wrinkle resistant and has a good drape. Let's move to our next synthetic fabric, that is spandex. It is also called as wonder fiber. Now see, spandex is a fabric name and lycra is a brand name of spandex. Why it is called as a wonder fiber then? Because it can stretch 4 to 6 times than its original size. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am repeating, it stretches 4 to 6 times than its original size. Mostly 2 to 5% spandex fabric is used in other material to give a elasticity to clothes. You might have seen stretchable jeans. Jeans or denim is made from rug cotton. Cotton fabric is non-stretchable. Due to spandex it can be. The word spandex is made from expands. This is used in bathing suits, athletic apparel and small percentage to give a stretch property in other materials. This is wrinkle resistant, has a good drape, low absorbency, lightweight, easy to dye and has no bubble problem. Our last man-made material is acrylic. This is excellent substitute for woolen garments. It is made from acrylic acid and chemicals. All the characteristics of woolen garment matches with acrylic. But this is cheaper than woolen garments. So ladies and gentlemen, we are to the end of man-made fabrics.